Not just being a passive client, accepting whatever your vet is may be advising. And ask a lot of questions, such as what is the likely diagnosis? If you do those suggested tests, will it change the treatment? Is there a safer medication? Can we wait before treating or performing diagnostic tests? And are there any alternate options? And if your pet is going on a medication, ask what are the drug side effects? Does it interact with any of the medication that they're on or may be on? Now I want to get into some of the healing modalities. And sorry, guys, I may seem like I might be going a little bit fast, but we've got a whole bunch of stuff that we're trying to cover tonight. The other thing I see, some of you guys are saying my voice is a little bit chopped up. It's hard to hear it. The other thing is all of this is getting recorded and you're going to get a copy of it after to refer back to. So let's get into the first healing modality, healing with herbs. Herbs is alternatives to conventional medication. They are safe, gentle medicines with a much greater margin of error and fewer side effects than most conventional medications. They're actually safer because the ingredients of the whole plant work together. And because as the whole plant is often more effective than just its individual components. Or in the most cases, these conventional drugs, they've isolated the one thing they think is most effective, and then they may be able to recreate that in a lab. That turns into a pill, and that's what your dog is taking. An example of this is white willow. White willow contains the same active ingredient found in aspirin. But in dogs that take this herb, they seldom develop the side effects of vomiting and diarrhea. Yet aspirin will commonly cause this. Here are the 5 most important herbs that you should know about. First, dandelion. The leaves are very strong diuretic, pretty key for a number of different things, and very safe. The roots are pretty important for liver disease, arthritis, and especially cancer. On top of the fact that dandelion is one of the more complete plant foods you're going to find. Milk thistle, probably the most important herb, in my opinion, natural remedy for liver disease. Aloe in combination with calendula, great for a whole variety of topical or surface skin conditions. Curcumin, which is isolated from the herb turmeric, super key as anti-inflammatory, help dealing with pain, help dealing with cancer, and even being an antibacterial. And lastly, valerian. It's a great one as far as a natural pain relief, as a bit of a sedative. If our animals have these back spasms, it's a real easy one to give. How could you start using herbs with your dog or cat? Obviously, the easiest things to start with are the herbal creams, such as aloe in combination with calendula, or even chamomile as a cream. Many of the natural stores are going to have them already in a cream formation. And they're a real great alternatives to some of the steroid creams for many of these guys that have allergies.